Welcome to Lena English Podcast, the place where your English speaking journey becomes easy, fun, and real. Every day, you'll get clear, shadowing practice, powerful vocabulary, and natural pronunciation exercises. Repeat after me. Speak with me. Trust yourself, and let's grow your English fluency one step at a time. Shadowing starts now. Speak after each line. Practice your pronunciation. Feel the rhythm. Hello. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you, Sarah. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Morocco. Oh, that's nice. Yes, it's a beautiful country. Are you a student? Yes, I am. I study English every day. That's great. English is fun. Yes, and useful too. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock. Do you eat breakfast? Yes, I eat toast and drink tea. Then I go to school. My classes start at 8. I like my English class. We speak, listen, and learn new words. After school, I go home. I eat lunch with my family. Then I take a short nap. In the evening, I study. Sometimes, I watch English videos. I love listening to English podcasts. Brush your teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Go to school. Do homework. Listen to music. Read a book. Go to bed. Repeat again. Brush your teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Go to school. Do homework. Listen to music. Read a book. Go to bed. What do you like to do? I like reading books. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. What's your cat's name? His name is Max. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. What kind of music do you like? I like pop and soft music. Do you play sports? No, but I like walking. Do you speak English every day? Yes, I try to speak English every day. It helps me improve. Good morning. Can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for apples. They are over there. Thank you. How much are they? They are $2 a kilo. Okay, I'll take 2 kilos. Anything else? Yes, I want some bread. Here you go. Thanks. How much is it in total? It's $5. Here you are. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Bye. I wake up early because I love the morning. I enjoy walking to school. English is not easy, but I can do it. Every day I learn something new. I speak slowly, but I speak with confidence. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help me grow. I believe in myself. I trust the process. I am improving every day. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I can understand. I am learning. I am strong. I will not give up. My English is getting better. I enjoy learning. I speak English with confidence. I trust myself. I am proud of my progress. Again, I can speak English. I can understand. I am learning. I am strong. I will not give up. My English is getting better. I enjoy learning. I speak English with confidence. I trust myself. I am proud of my progress. I love learning. I love learning. I love learning. I love learning. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English. Repeat this video daily to improve your English pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency.